Hi there, students. A harpy, okay, is a noun. Okay, in English, we use this word a harpy to talk about a cruel, unpleasant, nasty woman who shouts a lot and is very aggressive. It's probably a bit of a literary word, but I think you certainly could use this. I think I'm going to go straight to the origin because a harpy actually comes from Greek mythology. And a harpy was a mythological creature with the head of of a woman and the body of a bird. Okay, it was a bird of prey with a woman's head and long claws on their hands, and this was the spirit, I suppose, of the destructive power of storms. Yeah, but harpy. Yeah, an aggressive, unpleasant woman who's always demanding things. Um, can you use this for a man? I suppose you could, but unfortunately, this is one of these more sexist words. Yeah, somebody who's just trying to extort things from you. My boss is such a harpy. There's almost nothing I can do to please her. She's cruel and greedy. She always wants more. Yeah, what I do is never enough. Um, my mother-in-law, not sorry, my stepmother, my father's new wife was a real harpy. Yeah, she was grasping and out for everything she could get. She was trying to get as much money as she could. Yeah, and she treated me very cruelly. Yeah, so a cruel, grasping woman. Yeah, and then from mythology, a hideous, rapacious winged monster with the head of a woman and the tail, legs, and talons of a bird. Okay, so I think you could probably say my father-in-law is a harpy. He's a relentless, greedy person. Yeah, so maybe you can use it for a man. I'd like your opinions on that. A harpy, somebody who's always scolding, always nagging, always bad-tempered. Yeah, this is a lot more than just tough love. This is somebody who's pretty aggressive and unpleasant. Um, yeah, these two women were clearly a couple of gold-digging harpies. So if you use the word harpy, this is very critical. Yeah, you're saying that this person is not very nice. I will be glad when that harpy has left the house. Notice as well, a harpy can also actually be a type of buzzard, which is a bird of prey, or also a type of eagle. Um, so yeah, a harpy, a termagant, somebody who's very shrewish, a battle axe as well. So formality. This is an interesting one. This word definitely sounds rather literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think you could just about use this word in an informal conversation. Yeah, the the landlady of that pub is such a harpy. She's always shouting at everyone. Yeah, at school, my teacher is a real harpy. She's always shouting at everyone. She's always scolding us. Always wants us to do more. So yeah, going back to formality, I think I gave it a 6, maybe a 6.5. Just about use it in an informal conversation. For an essay, this is a brilliant word to describe a person. Yeah, in an essay or something like that. And I think you could also use it in a very very formal context. Um, as to origin, well, it comes from ancient Greek, harpuia, a snatcher, from harpazo, I snatch or I seize. And this is, well, ancient Greek is the origin of the harpy. It comes through Latin and through French as well. Okay, so if you want to insult someone, she's a shrewish harpy. She always wants more and is very grasping. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A Harpy.